Hey everyone. Here's my third mind map. Not gonna lie, this assignment here was killer on my OCD and perfectionism, but bear with me as I try to explain my thinking. In this final mind map, I wanted to highlight what I felt were all the important aspects of tests and assessment. So in the center here, obviously, we have tests and assessments. I tried to make as many connections as I could think, and I'm sure at this point there are some I'm forgetting, but it is what it is at this point. Anyways, off of tests and assessments here to the left, excuse me, is early testing. And then I also included the examples we were given at the beginning and throughout the lectures here, like phrenology and physiognomy, brass instruments, the group testing, Army Alpha and Beta, as well as the ones we learned were unethical, like Milgram and Tuskegee. As well as the issues here are the reasons ethics and guidelines for testing were put into place, which I have listed here. Now, also attached to early testing came the uses we now use for tests like achievement, intelligence, and neuropsychology or neuropsychological tests. And I've also included all the different tests that we learned about with neuropsychology, but I didn't include like the examples of the tests because I felt that was just way too much writing for me right here. And then down here I have reliability and validity. I put this down here at the bottom because I was going to make this a bigger section, and then it ended up not being that big because in many of the sketches of the mind maps that I did prior to this final one, it just felt like it was too much and didn't feel as if it was truly connecting like it does in my mind for me. But like we have like I said, the reliability and validity. I included the types, the content, construct, and criterion. I didn't put too many definitions on my mind map, only because those are on my flashcards. And like I said, I didn't want to do too much writing on here that it just ends up becoming just a whole bunch of writing. And then like same with the reliability, I have the types, the measurement errors, and then same with validity, the measures, and then the errors right here. My note right down here is highlighted in yellow, only because I think it's important to remember that we can have reliability without validity, but we have to have reliability for validity. And then, for the last couple of lessons, obviously we learned that regression to the mean, we learned what that is and how it is a threat to validity, especially internal validity. So here is the mind map that I did. Thanks.